We have really been wanting a dash cam for safety purposes, and BOTSLAB reached out and sent this to us to take a look at, and I'm absolutely thrilled. This camera has all the bells and whistles. It is 4 channels, so you're gonna be able to see front, back, and on either side, and this can be hardwired for 24-hour monitoring. It is amazing. So let's just take a look at it. I was a little bit intimidated about the install, but it ended up being so much easier than I anticipated. It probably took about 40 minutes start to finish. Just take the time, read the directions, watch the video, just plug it into your lighter. The hardest part is this wiring and the way that you're going to tuck it in, but honestly, it's not that bad. It comes with a tool, and you're just gonna spend the time that you need to tuck this in, and then you're gonna put the camera up in the back, and you're gonna do the same with the wire from all the way around from the back to the front. It's seriously not that bad, you guys. And then you can see all the way around your car, or you can turn it off so that it doesn't distract you while you're driving. The other thing that you're gonna wanna do is pair this with the app, because that is how you're gonna log in to look at the replays and things like that. This is such a crisp picture. Seriously, if you are in the market for a dash cam, check this one out.